guide you to hide tagged photos on your Instagram. So let's open Instagram, go to your profile. Here on your profile, you can go for the tags that you have been tagged on the people. So if you tap on that, you can go for the manage option over there. And if you visible on profile, you can go for the select. And if you tap on that, and here you can hide that photo or otherwise you can remove that. So if you go for the hide option, so you will still be tagged in this post but you will won't be appear in your profile. So if you tap on hide, now that has been hide your post from your profile. So here, if you scroll here like this, and now you can't see that tagged photo. So if you need to see that, go to the search bar, go for the people whom you tagged you. So again, if you tap on that, you can tap here, go to the tag options and show in my profile. So if you tap on that, then that will be displayed over your profile. So this is how you can hide your tagged photos on Instagram.